Hi, I'm Karina. Welcome to Apple Leaves. A healthy lifestyle begins with a healthy gut. We know that food we put in our body is our fuel. The better quality we choose, the better our whole body will work. In a variety of food choices, we have to make wise decisions every day. Today I want to share with you my top 6 superfoods that I eat every day, and I hope you will include some in your daily life as well. So let's get started. Nuts and seeds. I always have in my pantry almonds, walnuts, as well as chia, hemp and flax seeds. Nuts and seeds are rich sources of healthy fats, fiber, plant protein, essential vitamins and minerals. As different types of nuts have slight difference in their vitamin and mineral content, eating a variety of nuts will help to increase your level of various nutrients. Instead of eating a biscuit or a piece of cake as a snack, try having a handful of raw almonds or walnuts. Chia or flax seeds offer a great source of omega-3 fatty acids typically found in fish. They also offer a great supply of plant protein, fiber, minerals and other nutrients. Adding a tablespoon of chia or hemp seeds or flax seeds in your morning smoothie, oatmeal or overnight oats would be definitely beneficial for you. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber, but low in calories. Kale, spinach, arugula, Swiss chard are all super beneficial for your health. Kale is considered one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables due to its many minerals, antioxidants and vitamins, especially vitamins A, C and K. Spinach, besides of other vitamins and minerals, is a great source of folate. It can be used in a variety of ways. I like to add my spinach and kale to the salads, to my smoothies, or just saute with a sliced onion. Probiotics. Probiotics are a form of good bacteria found in our gut, which are responsible for everything, from nutrient absorption to our immune health. So good bacteria is extremely important to our health. My daily dose of probiotics most often comes from unsweetened almond milk yogurt. I eat it with a variety of fruits and berries, with my homemade granola, or just add it to the smoothie. Another great sources of probiotics are sauerkraut, kimchi, tempeh, or kombucha. Get probiotics from fermented foods every day and your gut will thank you. Berries. Berries are some of the healthiest foods you can eat, as they low in calories but high in fiber, vitamin C and antioxidants. Frozen berries are as good as fresh ones, as they keep all the vitamins and minerals. Be aware that berries are one of the most highly sprayed crops, so conventional varieties will likely have a great number of herbicides and pesticides. So whenever possible, I prefer to choose organic ones. There are many great ways to eat berries. My favorite are blended into a smoothies, added to my oatmeal or overnight oats, or just added to the almond milk yogurt. Avocado. Avocado is incredibly nutritious. It offers an abundance of fiber, potassium, even more than banana, vitamin B6 and vitamin C. It's also a great source of folate and loaded up on healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are essential to our body. Avocado is a great addition to almost any meal. Add to your salads, make avocado toast, or just enjoy your chips with guacamole. If you still don't have avocado in your diet, you may want to consider it as a healthy and delicious product to add to your daily life. Ginger. Ginger has been used as a cure in many cultures for thousands of years in its natural form. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It's also known as a good source of reducing nausea and vomiting, especially during pregnancy. I like to use ginger in my tea. Usually I slice it and soak in my morning tea. Also, it can be minced into stir-fry dishes or added to the smoothies. With all the health benefits ginger has to offer and all the different ways you can consume it, it's a great time to start include ginger in your daily life. And there you have my 6 superfoods that I include daily in my diet. Let me know in the comments below what food do you eat every day and cannot live without. And of course, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!